Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer preset for your headphones JBL TUNE 770. You have to start by open JBL Headphones application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the app and the application opened for you the headphones menu. If you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones here. So right here we have Equalizer and you need to tap at this line. So firstly, we need to enable the Equalizer because by default it's disabled. So tap at the slider and now click at the plus. And now we can make something good for you. You can click right here to rename your preset. Let's call it test. Done. And now we can make something good. Okay, so I want this, and maybe this. This one is set to 0 or to 0. And also I wanna lower 16K and 8K. So, oh yeah, and this one is set to 0. And this preset, it's okay for me. Now, click Save. And now we have this preset. You can create more than one preset. So you can make something like this one. Click Save. And as you can see, if you do not rename it, you have it, it calls My EQ. So you can remove this preset or like the custom presets. Right here we have trash icon to remove it, so tap on it and click remove. And also we have settings icon and we can modify this preset. You can also click at the reset button. Oh, okay, so if you made it, you cannot do this. Never mind. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.